So this is the chess openings and ELO's website. And on the left here, we see the background information. This is important, especially for those who are unfamiliar with chess. We talk about ELO, which is essentially a chess player's rating, the higher the better, and ECO, which is a classification of an opening played in a given chess game, as well as some information about the Gini impurity, which is used in one of our visualizations. But as for the visualizations themselves, on the left here, we have our chess openings table. So this lists all the different openings from the database, as well as the number of games played with them in the database, and you can sort based on white win percentage, black win percentage, etc., as well as the number of games played. So if you highlight over any of those, it lists the full name of the opening as well as some additional information. And so we can also sort this by a given year as selected here. So this now is sorting or showing only the openings used in the year 1972. So this allows us a more fine-grained look into the different openings used over time. But as for this top players over time chart, this gray line essentially represents the top active player for any given year. And so for our selected year, we highlight the the number of top players for that given year, as well as their entire career trajectory. So this gives us some insight as to how career trajectories have changed over time and how chess players have evolved over time. And so for any selected chess player, we can choose any of the top players, and we get a plot of their openings. So this is their 10 most frequently used openings, as with the frequency used for each. And we also see their position within this histogram highlighted. So this histogram measures how wide of a variety of openings they're using. So if they're all the way on the left here, they only ever use one opening. And if they're all the way on the right, they use lots of different openings with similar frequency. So one key takeaway is that almost all of these top players are always going to be really close to this top spot in terms of diversity. So that indicates to us that better players are using a wider variety of openings.